Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Is there a complaint form or something that I could have?
There's no actual form.
Excuse me, you can't record, okay?
Sorry, just recording anything I can see
No,
in
no,
public.
you can't record. If you do that, I'm gonna have to ask you to leave.
Sir, I'm recording.
I'm being very
anything
nice.
I can see in public.
Yes, you don't have that right here.
That's fine. You can do what you gotta do.
Okay.
I'm filming in public. It's not illegal to film in public.
No, this is not a public place.
This is public.
Okay,
Sir, I'm not trying to fight with you.
Okay,
I'm just asking for a complaint form.
Okay,
because
and
you
that's
guys
fine.
don't,
I'm gonna-
obviously don't know the law.
okay. I'm gonna ask you to turn that off.
Okay. And I'm politely declining, sir.
Okay, then turn around. Let's go.
Canada has what's called charter rights, which is very similar to the United States First Amendment and the Constitution. And right now, folks, knowing your rights in Canada is extremely important, especially knowing what's happening over there regarding truckers and their fight for freedom. And this is a new channel called Alberta Rights Media, based out of Canada. He's doing outstanding work. He's doing some audits, and immediately he's finding tyrants over there. Let's take a look.
Go where?
You're going out.
I'm not. I'm asking. I'm here to do business. Sir, you're putting hands on me.
Yeah, that's fine. I haven't.
Sir, you can't put hands on me. Look, you just ran me into this pole. Yo, what are you doing, man? Look at this. Hands on.
Yeah.
This officer, hands on.
Sir, we asked you a couple of
Yeah,
times.
It
you're
doesn't
asking.
matter. I'm allowed to film in public.
No, you're not allowed to film.
Yo, you guys are violating all my rights right now.
Yeah, that's.
Okay,
Dude,
you'll be
don't-
okay. I'll be the.
can't
You
come
guys are
here.
gonna be the defendant.
Yeah,
Thank
that's
you.
fine.
Get a lawyer and we'll figure
Get a
it out.
lawyer.
Get a lawyer, says the tyrant. I have an issue with that statement, folks, and you should as well, and I'll tell you why. We the people pay for police officers, attorneys when they mess up, but we the people have to pay for our own attorneys. And when a cop violates your rights and he tells you to get a lawyer or deal with it in the courts, aren't they the ones really tying up the courts with unlawful arrests? Shouldn't that be considered contempt of court? The taxpayer has to fork the bill on unlawful arrests. And even if, for some odd reason, the officer is found to have violated somebody's rights, when the lawsuit comes, guess who pays for that lawsuit, folks? Not the officer, the taxpayers. That's you. Keep watching.
Get a lawyer and we'll figure
Get a
it out.
lawyer. So you're
If
kicking
you
me out of a
wanna come
public
here, you gotta
building for asking for a complaint
you.
form.
Have a good day, sir.
Yo, they just removed me from the fucking building.
I'm sitting here watching this video and I see that the sign on the door says enter, but it's upside down. I think this is how they actually represent themselves. The laws seem to be obscured. Nobody seems to know them. The police officers don't follow their own policies. They're constantly violating people's rights. And the sign on the door says enter, but it's upside down. Maybe it's time everybody starts recording them while entering these places. These places are public accessible, and it's your right to go in there, ask questions, and record, folks. Thank you guys for tuning in. Go subscribe to the channel. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.
Yo, they just put hands on me, bro. I can't believe that. Hands on me. This is the business you get at Strathmore for filming in public. I didn't do nothing but filming, asking for a complaint form. All for filming. This guy just put hands on me for filming. He put hands on me.
Before you guys go, I want to show you guys a clip, but I also want to thank the Pop Brothers at Law for hooking me up with a space to put a booth. It's my first time putting up a booth, folks. We had so much fun meeting people, introducing ourselves. I cannot wait to do this type of stuff again, folks. Mark and Craig at the Pop Brothers at Law, thank you guys so much for believing in the San Joaquin family and our work. We truly appreciate you guys. Everyone go subscribe to them. I'll leave the link in the description. Check this out.
Let's do this. All right, man.
What's the deal, man? You know what it is. Your man Ross Mike, Nug Radio, fucking Viceland TV, and I'm only representing for my folks in the San Joaquin Valley. These guys is doing it right. Quit playing with yourself and trust this information, because this information is not good for your health, but this is. Quit playing.
That's right, man. We're gonna give you an extra large shirt And let me ask you something, and I ask everybody this question.
Yeah.
Do you know the First Amendment of the Constitution?
First Amendment? No, I know the second though.
Second was written to protect the first.
Right. Freedom of speech.
Freedom of speech.
I should know that. I'm a journalist major.
So there's actually 4 more elements to that.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll give you one more.
Freedom of speech, religion, and for me to say fuck you to the police and not feel any way about
That's
it,
right. Freedom of press. Freedom of
You can
speech.
say fuck you.
That's right. That's right. Yeah.
I'm just guessing. I
No,
don't know.
you're absolutely right.
Okay.
And also freedom to assemble and freedom to petition.
That's right.
And a lot of folks don't seem to know that. Officers, I ask every cop that I encounter that question, they don't seem to know it.
Then why is it that every time I'm with 3 or more black folks in certain neighborhoods, there's all of a sudden
Right?
roundabout security? I'm
Right.
used to security. I work with TV, but I mean, like unnoticeable. I'm just saying.
Right.
Right together. I like it, man. Unity, man. Bring them right this. You dig? Bring that
Much
right
love.
information to people, dude. It's
Thank you.
necessary.
Respect,
Good
man.
for yourself.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Much love, man. Thank you. That was fucking awesome, guys. Huh? That was legit, huh?
Yeah, they're gonna
That's
just do
cool.
like on the spot.